Unboxing the already unboxed the queen size Zinus 8-inch memory foam bed or mattress. 8-inch memory foam. It's a green tea mattress. They say it's 30 pure, and that's one of the reasons that I bought it. Um, I saw it in the ad, but I don't see 30 pure here. But maybe it's there in the information. They say do not cut it. They mean it. Do not cut it. But this thing, this is just spread out right here. This comes wrapped in this real tough tarp bag, which is hard to get off. So we had to cut it open, and I'll be opening this up right now, and then see how long it takes to actually air up. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to cut it across this seal right here, and be careful not to cut the mattress or the cover, because the cover for this mattress is very important, because this mattress contains fiberglass as the fire retardant to that, and which will ruin your whole apartment and your belongings if you cut it open. So it will become a breathing hazard, and you will not be able to use any of your things ever again. There's no way to get it cleaned or anything because it's fiberglass. Okay, now the mattress starts swelling up. It's taking air, or is it? No, you didn't actually open it completely.
Yeah.
Oh, don't cut my finger off.
Sorry, honey.
There's a lot of varying accounts of how long does it take to fill up, but if you see, it's already filling up, and
What plastic am I supposed to leave?
it's filling up right now, and you see it expanding. So there are varying accounts on how much time it takes to become, to fill up completely, but looks like it's not much. Probably we need to remove the outer cover, so which I'll do right now. It's just an 8-inch, and it was on sale. Once this is completely fluffed up, I'll remove the previous mattress that was in there. What was that?
Nothing.